We're here to celebrate the reopening of Sparta. The Sparta Gymnasium is such a critical part of Doherty High School. When you bring everybody together, you get that community, you get that togetherness, you get that shared experience that is so important about being part of a school. You're part of something that's bigger than yourself. So, today we're gonna have everybody in the room together for the first time in 15 months, and just the energy and the spirit that you feel when you're together and being part of something bigger than yourself in a brand new, shiny environment.